Whether it's morning, noon, or night, the Learn, Develop, Live podcast will set you right. This is the Learn, Develop, Live 1 Minute of Motivation, the weekend edition, because not everyone works Monday to Friday.
Good morning and welcome to the Learn, Develop, Live podcast. Keep inspired, keep motivated, and help kickstart your day. Now you can book your free 30-minute call by sending me a text message on 07801 543 515. My calendar is always open for you because today is the perfect day to start to eliminate the problem or the issue that you've got right now. Think about what problem you have right now and how much you want to stop it. That is only going to happen if you take action. Stop ignoring the pain, it is time. Here is today's quote. The best way to predict the future is to create it. When was the last time that you used that crystal ball of yours to predict the future then? It's likely that you've never even turned it on. The point is, it can be possible to see into the future because you can create it. You are what you make anything possible, and this is no different. So get out there and create some magic for yourself. Thanks.
That was your 1 minute of motivation. You can find more motivation and inspiration at learndeveloplive.com, and we'll see you tomorrow for more.